Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Flare Network, the new financial standard. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. If you want to see the channel rolling for years and want to support it, do check that out. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price of Flare Network at the time of the recording, guys. Let us check that out. So, Flare is down 0.47% for the day. The price is $0.02126. So, as you know, that BTC dipped a few days ago, but if you look at the flare chart, guys, it didn't dip as much as other projects. I have been keeping an eye on the market, but Network has been stable, guys, in comparison to a lot of projects. And if you look at the monthly chart, guys, it is up 24.56% for the month. It went all the way from 0.0173 all the way to 0.024 approximately. Since that time, it is in a kind of a price discovery mode. But if you look at the yearly chart, guys, it is broken out from this resistance over here, and now, in my opinion, it will go up in the short term to test out 0.027 and this resistance area over here. And from there on out, it can move above and beyond. If you look at the all-time chart, guys, just a moment. Yes, so this is the all-time chart. Yeah, so this is the resistance line. Let's see that if it can break this or not. But obviously, guys, Flare Network has a lot of things going for it. Let me just show you firstly, it is just $700 million market cap with the current circulation, by the way, and this is nothing for what for the market it aims to disrupt, guys. We're talking about hundreds of billions and trillion, guys. So I think that $600 million for this project is still, if we're early with this one. Let me show you guys a news over here. Flare onboards Google Cloud as infrastructure provider, guys. Delmus Engetik. So I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrong, but January 24, 2024. This is recent. So basically, Network is now onboarding none other than Google Cloud as an infrastructure provider, guys. This is awesome. This partnership marks a significant milestone for Flare, bringing one of the world's leading cloud computing providers on board. It also marks the first time Google Cloud is providing infrastructure services to a decentralized Oracle system. So, guys, this is the first time that Google Cloud is involved in this in a infrastructure, especially in crypto. And as you guys know, that Flare Network is involved in a lot of things, and it has a decentralized Oracle system where it is connecting the external data to the blockchains. So Cloud will eventually play a crucial role. Now, check this out. A press release on January 22nd noted that Google Cloud will play a dual role as an infrastructure provider on Flare. How does it do it? First, it will support the network security by validating new blocks on the blockchain. So this is the first task, that it will basically support the network security. Secondly, it will contribute to Flare Network's native Oracle, the Flare Time Series Oracle FTSO, by providing decentralized price and data feeds. So basically, it is enhancing the Flare Time Series Oracle's efficiency even more, guys. Google Cloud infrastructure, as you guys know, that the data it will provide will be accurate and efficient. I think reliable. So this is extremely bullish in my opinion. The FTSO is a crucial part of Flare's infrastructure, ensuring that dApps can access accurate and reliable data, like I just mentioned. By onboarding Google Cloud as an FTSO data provider, Flare is further enhancing its data security and reliability. Guys, now that I'm talking about Flare Network as being a new financial standard, it doesn't stop over here. It doesn't stop, guys. Let me show you. Flare Network unveils F assets. You guys already know this was posted December 6, 2023, but this is still really bullish, eyeing dollar 800 billion crypto market boost, guys. If you do not know, they're basically Flare Network is involved in providing smart contracts to the projects that do not have that capability. For instance, integration, and not just any projects, guys. Now check this out. Flare Network's F asset system integrates XRP, Bitcoin, and Dogecoin with DeFi, guys, unlocking dollar 800 billion in digital assets, and we're talking about dollar 800 billion in a bear market, guys. This is this would have trillions of dollars, guys. Basically, Flare is disrupting trillions of dollars in the years to come, and we're not talking about we just talked about its oracle system and what else it is doing, guys. It is just a part of what it is doing. The Flare network has announced the launch of its F-Asset system, a platform designed to integrate non-smart contract digital assets like XRP, Bitcoin, and Dogecoin into the realm of decentralized applications, dApps. I mean, it cannot get any bigger than this, guys. These are powerhouses in crypto. These are powerhouses in not just crypto but finance in general, guys. XRP, Bitcoin, Dogecoin. F Assets link traditional crypto with DeFi. The Flare network, through its innovative F Assets system, is setting a new precedent in the digital currency landscape by allowing the conversion of traditional cryptocurrencies into F assets on their network. They are effectively bridging the gap between conventional data, digital assets, and burgeoning field of decentralized finance. Awesome, awesome. Independent agents power F assets' decentralized nature, distinguishing itself from other wrapped asset systems. So it is how is it distinguishing itself? So the F assets framework is basically designed to be trustless. So basically, no third parties involved. Users do not need centralized intermediaries to engage their tokens in smart contract activities. So no centralized powers are involved. The independence of the F assets system is largely attributed to Flare's native data acquisition protocols. The Flare time series oracle, which we just talked about, FTSO, provides decentralized price feeds, so working as an oracle, and now that it has onboarded Google Cloud, it is even more bullish. While the stake connector ensures trustless verification of transactions on the original blockchain. Awesome. Three types of assets support functionality of F assets: the original data asset, Flare's native token collateral, and additional collateral in the form of stable coins or wrapped Ethereum, guys. So, I mean, Flare Network is here to stay, guys, and it is here to innovate. It is here to disrupt the trillions of dollars in finance, guys. And the community is growing as we are talking. The X handle has 266K followers. Let us just now check out what the community is saying about FLR. We're just going to be skimming through this and what's new in the community. SGB, Songbird, F assets, FLR. For everyone who got excessively excited over SGB breaking $0.01 again, just to lose it, zoom out. These are some targets within the range, not including a much anticipated higher high breaking $0.90. By the way, Songbird is the canary network of FLR. Flare network, in which Flare network's new dApps and the new protocols are tested before going live. Or so yeah, it has its own coin as well. Okay. Before F assets, $0.90. Before liquid staking, $0.90. Before layer cake, $0.90. Before Google Cloud, $0.90. SGB is roughly one-tenth the supply of Doge at 140 billion. Doge all-time high, $0.74, making a $7.40 Songbird by comparison. So guys, we're talking about utility. We're not talking about just mere hype of Doge, guys. So yeah, I think if you hold a million FLR tokens today, you good. Okay. FLR is arguably the most versatile asset in the space. Delegate, supply your vote power derived from FLR or SGB tokens to data providers and earn weekly rewards. So there is basically a room for passive income as well with Flare Network. No lockup time. Tokens can be moved around as you choose, even during epochs. No minimum token requirements. Let me just bookmark this, like this. What else? What else? What else do we have here? I love the smell of FLR burns in the morning. The next flare drops burn is imminent, so if you've got any unclaimed, you'll want to grab them quick. We are going to see people complaining that they didn't get to buy cheap FLR. Don't be one of them. FLR connect everything. So basically connecting finance, guys. Some flare homework on a Sunday. Awesome. Check this out. Courtesy of Community Flare. They did all the work. Asset, percentage of market cap required to consume total SGB supply as F asset collateral, insurance pool, XRP 0.051%, XLM 0.513, Doge 0.152, Litecoin 0.325, Algo 1.45%, Filecoin 0.734, BTC 0.002%. So, guys, what do you think about Flare Network connecting everything, the new financial standard of finance? Do hit the comment box below. What do you think about Songbird, Flare Network? So, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.